In this video, as you would have seen, I have decluttered and organized this area. Now, what is left to do is I want this lovely greenery type of flower over here when I finish with this DIY, and then next to those rose flowers, I want to add long green fake leaves. So I am popping into TK Maxx and I'm going to go and get some fake green leaves. You will see the finished result. You will love it. You will love it. Picked up these leaves from TK Maxx, and they were reduced to £1.40, £1.99, yes, £1.99, and they were reduced to £1.40. I picked up 3 lots. I have actually gone back to check on a random window shopping. They have been reduced to 90p, 90. I think a 90 or 80p. I feel like I need to rearrange them again properly. But yeah, I really like them. I really like this leafy set. Now over here, we're going to be doing a little DIY. I don't know if it's a DIY, just flower arranging. Yeah, flower arranging. So I picked up some fake flowers from TK Maxx as well. This one was originally this floral pink one. I don't know what flower this is, but this one was originally in the kitchen. I didn't really like it there. It wasn't doing it justice in the kitchen, so I decided that this will look perfect in the living room. I've tried it out. I bought these as well prior to lockdown. The other day when I went to TK Maxx, I picked up this as well. This is £2.99, and I want to combine them. Plant plot from HomeSense. Basically, ever since I bought this, I've not planted any flower in it. I want to use it as a fake flower pot thing. I've also got my grass runner that I picked up during Easter of this year. I've got some foam that has been destroyed by kids. You see those fingers? Kids. Look. Kids. Look at that mess. I have to cut my foam in half because not all of it will fit in. So with the flower foam, the big foam is in the middle. I've cut the other piece of the foam that I had left into half. So I put one on this side and the other one on this side at the bottom. So and then it gives this middle one, which is going to support these flowers. Middle one's got more support and it's straight. If I shake it around, it doesn't move. So the 2 foams are supporting it. Now the grass one I can go back in. So guys, this is how it looks. Really cute, right? What we're going to be doing now is I'm going to cut the middle. I'm going to make a cut in the middle of the grass runner so that I can get through to the foam. Let me use scissors. Yep. Should I use scissors? Oh, I haven't showed my face, have I? Hi guys. Yeah, and cut my little hole in the middle. Oh, you might be able to see there's a hole there. So, where is the hole? With this one that she's doing her own thing, this one. Yeah, we're going to set up it here. So she's not wonky. And because I'm putting it near to the wall's going to support it anyway, so. Then we're going to take this one. I've had to curve it up because I feel like the black tape can be seen from afar. So I'm just going to tuck that into. is how it looks. It's really nice. I love the grass. The grass from even from afar looks really nice. Close, it looks really nice too. It looks really nice. So yeah, this is how it looks. Now I'm just gonna clean and then show you how it looks. Looking at this, I feel like at some point I will probably add 2 more like of these like leaves onto this one, because I feel like it needs a little bit more. You will see an updated version I would say the beginning of next year. Yeah, I am currently content with it, but I feel like it just needs more leaf, so that's what I'm going to do.